In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up video in Adobe Express. If you want your footage to move faster, shorten a slow moment, or create a more energetic pacing in your edit. Adobe Express makes it very simple. You don't need to dig through complicated menus or use advanced editing tools. Everything is built into the project controls, and once you know where to look, the process only takes a moment. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the project that contains the video you want to edit. This is important because the speed setting applies to the specific clip you choose, so you'll want to be working directly in the right file before making any changes. Once your project is open, select the clip you want to speed up. You can do this by clicking directly on the video layer, either on the canvas or in the timeline, depending on the view you're using. When the clip is selected, Adobe Express will highlight it and show you the editing controls connected to that video. If you don't see any settings appear, just click the clip again to make sure it's actively selected. Next, move your attention to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the speed control. You should see a speed option along with a slider that lets you adjust how fast the clip plays. To speed up the video, drag that slider to the right. As you move it, Adobe Express increases the playback speed of the selected clip. A small adjustment can create a subtle, time-saving effect, while a larger adjustment can make the motion feel much quicker and more dramatic. If you're trying to keep the result natural, it's usually a good idea to increase the speed gradually, rather than making a huge jump all at once. After that, check the results. Play back the clip and watch how the new speed feels in context with the rest of your project. This step matters because a speed change can affect the rhythm of your video, so it's worth taking a few seconds to preview it. If it feels too fast or not fast enough, you can simply return to the slider and fine-tune it until it looks right. And that's it. That's how to speed up a video in Adobe Express. Once you know where the clip controls and speed slider are, it becomes a very quick edit you can use anytime you want to tighten your pacing or create a faster visual effect.